PSA Group, which makes Peugeot and Citroen cars, is, according to reports, exploring an acquisition of General Motors' European business. It's a deal that would be transformative to the region's automotive landscape, according to those reports. A successful purchase would create a manufacturer with about 16% of the European car market, leapfrogging Renault to become Europe's second biggest auto group after Volkswagen. The issue for me, though, is that what Peugeot is doing is it's buying two relatively large names, or historically large names within the auto business, both Opel and Vauxhall, but neither is getting much traction at the moment for General Motors, which of course is why GM is looking at offloading this. But Peugeot looking as though it wants to take this. Let's take a look at the chart for Peugeot. You can see here recently Peugeot has been one of the real beneficiaries from the large numbers of new cars that are being sold in the European markets at the moment, and indeed globally. Peugeot has a big footprint, not just in Europe but around the world. We've got the recent highs at 1970, which is still some 100 euros away from where we are. Looking out at the monthly chart, you can see clearly that we are a long way from the records that we saw pre-financial crash at about the 67 euro level. But on the daily chart, this is a very strong trend that's developing, and indeed you can see after these reports came out still more money going into Peugeot cars as they expand their footprint. So things looking good for Peugeot. It is overbought at these levels, but we've been here before, and what happens is you just get a little bit of a pullback and then you get a continuation of this. No evidence to suggest that this is a done deal yet. It'll take time to hammer out, but nonetheless Peugeot doing well in trade, looking as though it could well become the second largest automaker in Europe if the deal goes through.